they're not going to be this good anymore. Yeah.
Since KFD po will be, since it's our last year as classmates for being a block section, for me po, I think this is a once in a lifetime experience kasi mahirap din po kasi magpatuloy ng concert and mahirap din po yung mga pinagdaan namin. So maybe this will be first and last for me. But for my team po, their experiences will always be open for them. So I'm sure they'll want to have another experience like this in the future. Thank you.
I am John Buena from Coca-Cola.com. I'm a lifestyle blogger. First of all, congratulations. The concert alone is kind of crazy if I were your age. That's probably like a couple of years. But how was like the production of this? How did it all happen? Who planned it, and how did you like come about like the plan to have a concert?
It was a unanimous vote po from the class, and of course, the event wouldn't be possible without my team, Mason, and my other team members po. All of us decided that this will be hard, and we will put a lot of effort into it. So we all did our best in for the past 4 months since last year, and thankfully we were accepted by the school to host a concert. And yeah, it was a good experience for all of us to plan on what event we would be doing.
You're on that point, RJ, right?
Yes.
What were your professors' reaction into you like just coming out like we want to have a concert?
Our professors' reactions, but a lot of them were happy that a lot of us are planning to host a big event, knowing that it will bring a lot of pressure onto us and our classmates. But they were supportive naman po, and they helped us in everything we did. I'd like to thank my teachers for all the support they've given us. Kahit na sometimes makulit kaming maging leader, and sometimes hindi kami naging cooperative. They still helped us with everything we did. So, really.
Alright, and siguro kay Ms. Molina? Ms. Kirsty, can you tell us, habang naman po yung mga parents, were you like, ano ba kayo, nag-vote ba kayo na ganito yung tinan ng mga kids niya?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, actually, nung sinabi po nila sa amin na concert, talaga pong medyo, okay, kami mismo na nagulat. Then, first, tinanong, patay ko ko, bakit talaga yan? So, yun nga po, nag-email kami, niload up po nila sa amin with their teachers. So, nagkaroon kami ng discussion, maraming po ito, set ng meetings, then finally na-approve sila. Then after na-approve po sila, niload up po naman po doon sa host class. Kasi hindi po namin magagawa ito na delivers lang the parents.
Of course.
So, in-involve po namin ang buong parents ng buong section ng Evergreen event. From there, nakakuha po kami ng let's support. From zero po talaga yung aming finances, this is not a regular year.
Yes.
So, from zero, every day, nakikita namin. Then, naniniwala po kasi kami na yung kakayahan ng mga boys na to handle and to lead ng ganito po kalaking event. And before na kasi, parang nag-join yung dalawang section. But this time, nagtano po kami ng one section sila. Kaya talaga pong medyo, maraming nagugulat. But yes, dahil nga po sa leadership ng mga boys, confidence. So, kaya nga po, nung nakita namin yun, mas lalo din po namin silang sinuportahan. With the help po ng mga parents or as the whole class. Yun po, kaya sabi nga namin, this concert will be 100% sold out. With your help po, with your help.
Do you, like how many people are expected to be there in the concert?
The capacity po of our venue, which will be the COVID courts, it's gonna be 2,500 now po.
2,000 for that year.
So we're hoping to sell at least 2,000 tickets.
Alright, thank you. Siguro kay Sir Jenna, yung next question ka. Since you're gonna be directing the show, what's gonna happen with the program? I'm sure it's gonna be like a huge, undertaking to do that because there are several performances, and of course the crowd safety. I'm probably sure that you have plans for that as well. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
So, Horizon features live performances of these artists, Vista, Santos Lola, and Angie. The more important thing about this show is that we want to send a message of hope and solidarity since it advocates for social change, community empowerment. So we will also feature audio-visual presentations in between performances, highlighting the Katipunan Fan Drive. Just as the Katipuneros in the 19th centuries, diba, banded together, gusto nating i-parallel yun na we will be the modern Katipuneros of the present time to help others.
Sir, to further answer your question about how it's going to be, about the security, you don't have to worry about it because number one of our co-parents also volunteered to give security also. Ateneo has their own security, but we are going to ensure that everyone is going to be safe, especially since we have young teens, like 13-year-olds. So we have several parents who also have, their security agencies. We're willing to donate the time of their security people. And also, we are very, very strict with respect to illegal articles that may be brought inside the venue. Like we were really discussing, like, are they allowed to use vape, stuff like this. So there are some things that we cannot avoid, but for our boys, it's a rule. If they get caught using vape, they're gonna be FI, right? That was, established. As for other people who are caught using vape, then it's going to be confiscated at the very start, at the security area. So also our tickets, we ensure that they cannot be easily tampered. So we design them in such a way that they cannot be just easily printed. So to ensure that you have an amazing experience when you watch the concert and be safe as well while being there.
I'm sure you have ample amount of parking as well.
Yes. Ateneo has a very huge parking ground, so it won't really be a problem.
Thank you. Alright, last question would be for the ladies. Currently, it's mga 2 weeks ago when you launched your album 4. Of course, that EP is still on streaming platforms. Can you tell us more about your album and how's it going so far? Yung nakakakuha na ba kayo ng feedback from people about your music? Tell us a little bit more.
Actually, naging maganda po yung launching namin kasi dumami po talaga yung streams namin like sa Spotify and other platforms. And nakakatuwa po kasi maraming nagsasabi na, napagpuan nyo niyo yung tamang sound nyo, talagang kalista yan. And ayun nga, sinabi namin dun sa launch na handa talaga namin ng iba't ibang genre. So talagang para magustuhan ng tao, marami